In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up users and roles in QuickBooks Online. This process is essential for businesses that want to streamline their operations by ensuring that every team member has access to the right resources and data. By setting up users and roles, you can safeguard sensitive information and enhance team collaboration by assigning specific permissions based on each person's role. Let's start by navigating to QuickBooks Online. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and head to the QuickBooks Online website. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll find a sign in button. Click on it to initiate the login process. Next, you'll need to enter your account credentials. This would typically be your email and your password for QuickBooks Online. Be sure to input them correctly to avoid any login complications. Once you've typed in your information, proceed by clicking the Sign In button again to gain access to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Now that you're logged in, the next step involves heading to the settings. For this, locate the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will take you to the settings menu, where various options are available to customize and manage your QuickBooks Online account. Within the settings, look for an option labeled Manage Users. Clicking on Manage Users will bring you to the user management interface. This is where you have the flexibility to add new users and define their roles within your QuickBooks Online account. Adding new users is quite straightforward. You simply need to send out an invitation via email. Make sure that the email addresses you use are those that the users actively monitor, as this will contain the link allowing them to join your QuickBooks account. At this point, it's important to note that if you need to add more users than your current subscription allows, you may need to consider upgrading your subscription plan. This is a crucial aspect to manage, especially as your team or business grows, ensuring everyone who needs access has it. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to setting up users and roles in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you can effectively manage who has access to what within your company, enhancing both security and productivity. If you encounter any issues along the way, QuickBooks offers support resources to help guide you through the user management process. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.